Good morning, everyone. Welcome to join the GD270 product technical training. This training has 3 parts. Part 1, the general function. Part 2, special function. Part 3, how to debug when you encounter some problem. The left shows basic function groups. Our VFD commons has the function from P0 to P40, P23, and the P17, the status groups can monitor output frequency, output current, and the motor speed. We provide optional cards, the P50 and P60, and the profit bus DP, and the CAN master and snare. We also provide I/O extended card to support the multi-pumps, and the P28, the CAN master and snare parameter set. Then the special function, fan and pumps. We have 2 groups PIDs. The HVAC sound function must be set with these 2 group PID, P19 and P91, not the P9. And the P94 HVAC special includes the sleeping function and the multi-pumps, water level control. And the P93 fire model. The P96 HVAC protection includes the motor temperature monitor and the freezing protection and the paper breaking protection. The P92 and the 95, these 2 groups function lead with the LCDs with the built-in battery. The ECU mode can reduce the output current to help the customer to save the energy. Under the VF control models, this type shows the effect of the ECU models. If anyone interested in, I will send you later. And you just enable the P for 4.26. It can work. That's the auto sleep function, which aim at avoid frequency stop and stop, realize energy saving operation. They have 3 ways to trigger sleep function: the low limit frequency or run frequency, and the deviation between the PID reference and the PID feedback. The related parameters from 94.129. This slide shows 1 drive force and multi-pumps functions, circle variable frequency star. You can see every motors connect to the VFD and the grid with a contactor. The right table shows the processing of aiding motors and the reducing motors. The motor 1 connect to the VFD firstly. When there need another motors, the motor 1 stop firstly, then motor 2 connect to the VFD. The motor 1 will connect to the grid. The next processing is same. summary, it keeps the last model as a variable frequency model, and the other is a fixed frequency model. And reducing models from model 1 to model 4. The detailed information we will see in the afternoon operation training. This picture shows one drive force, the accelerate control wiring. R1 connect to the motor 1, motor 2, motor 4, and variable frequency running and the fixed frequency running. Between them have interlock logic. When the wiring finish, then there's some say some parameters. One drive 4. They have one point needed to note. The GD270 itself only have 2 relays. So we need add the relay card to expand the number of relay. Enable the HVAC, the P194.0. Then select the models P194.10 circular. Then the P194.11, the number of the motor. Remember, related the RO with the motors, the P6 or the P26. P6 is the GD270. It itself has. The P26 is related with the IO expander card. P19.6 and 19.7 PID state reference, and 8 and 9 PID feedback setting. The right one is the fixed frequency control. It is very simple. It's just like the motor 1 connect to VFD. The others directly connect to the grid. Between them, no have change. Just change the P194.10 to 0. And the relative parameters P19.23 to 50 is improve the PID control effect. And under the circle control, we make the automatic circles, which has the 2 main purposes, keeping the running time of each pump fan same to balance their losing. Prevent any pump fan from stopping for too long, which may cause blockage. Automatic switch can also be triggered through the timing function, which is to switch to the auxiliary pump at a fixed time. The P194.34, if this value is 0, this function will be invalid. And the water level control function. This logic like this. I need to say some conception. The PID max value and the PID reference is the percentage of the PID max. For example, we say the 80. The P94.43 also percentage of PID max. And we for example say the 16. And the shortage level and the low limits out limits. If the water level of the inlet water tank changes from high to low, it's like the draw the water. When the water level value is higher than the low limit water level, at here, it will keep the PID state value is normal state value. If the water level is between the shortage level and the low limit water level, a PID state will be the P1943. The PID setting value will be reduced, and the deviation with the between the PID state and PID feedback will be reduced. The PID effect will be reduced. So the motion of drawing will be slower. So keep the water level stable. And from low to high, the logic is same. And detection of water paper break. Here, according to the detection level of the detection time to judge whether the water paper breaks. And temperature detection, we suppose that AO1 to connect to the PT100, PT1000, and KTY 18 volts. The fault diamond OH3. And the freezing protection. At a low temperature, the water pipe easily freezes. It can damage your water pipe. And if the ambient temperature is lower than the setting, the motor will automatically rotate around to prevent water from freezing. This case use motor temperature as the temperature standards. The related parameters P96.10 to 40. Treating condensation protection. The motor will produce conduction in humidity and cold environment, leading to motor field by outputting DC current to slightly increase the surface temperature of motors during work interruption. This problem can be avoided. And the motor anti-stalling and anti-drain pump function to avoid motor damage and energy waste. The P9628 motor stolen function selection. And this stolen condition, the VFD exceeds the stolen current limit. The output frequency is lower than the stolen frequency upper limit. The duration of this situation exceeds the stolen time. And motor drain pump function selection. You can choose the alarm, or fault, or disable. And the fire model. Once fire signal triggers, the VFD will control the motor to maintain operation at the setting fire frequency. They have two fire models. Fire model 1, the VFD will continue to run unless it is damaged. Fire model 2, the VFD will continue to run except for the OCOV's SPO fault stop. If fire model duration reaches to 5 minutes, this flag is set to 1, and no warrant repair is granted. The speed tracking. Our speed GD270, the speed training, we use the software solution. We output some current to detect the initial speed before running on the SVC1 and VFD control. They have 3 bays, the P1.35, one suitable for most occasions, and 2 applications to restart after a long time of stop, and 3 applications to count power generation load situation. And the improved parameters from the P1.35, 36 to 1.41. The RTC function, running time clock function equipped with the LCD keypad built-in battery. When the RTC function works, the start and the stop time of work can work, so the multi-step watt pressure can also be set. And the GD270 software can provide 4 levels of protection for all faults with low level and high fault level. You can choose what motion will do when the error happened. Call to stop according to a stop model, press alarm or run, keep it running. Carrier frequency change with temperature. When the VFD detects the heat-seeking temperature exceeds the rate temperature, it automatically decreases the carrier frequency to lower the temperature rise. When temperature decreases to the special value, the carrier frequency restores to the state. This function can reduce the VFD overheat alarm reducing chance. The related parameter is 80.55 to 57. That's all.